Right there. Go ahead. No, the other one.
You gotta turn the tree on.
Yeah. Right there, the tree.
Merry Christmas. What did you say it was on where?
Oh.
Oh.
Holy cow.
Wow.
I think you can fit in it.
That's a very big, like, what does Coda have in his mouth? Coda.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Coda.
Wow, that's neat.
Oh my goodness.
Coda.
Space shuttle.
You're in
What
space
you have
shuttle.
there, buddy? Is that for Coda and Nally?
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at it.
You a present.
You got a new Santa book. You got a
That's the
new.
way he walks around.
Hey, Coda. What you get, bud?
I'm not going to show you that. You might take it probably.
Oh, there's a Harry
That's
Potter
yours,
game.
baby.
Oh, the Harry Potter game.
Yeah, you see?
And you assemble it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
They used to have factories that put those things together.
Very neat. Wonder if you change the board each time you play then.
I think.
You think there's anything over there for Nallies? What's there for Nallies? Huh? What's there for Nallies? Ooh, what's that, baby?
What a flea.
Oh. Now, Coda, you had something.
Oh, you got a nibble on it.
Can you help me to hold it for him so you can look? Come here, Nals. This is the Nallies.
Oh, it's the reading.
Are you? Oh, that looks cool.
Oh, cool.
Nallies is still too tired, he says.
It's the Quidditch set.
Oh my cow.
Oh, so we can go outside and play Quidditch.
You can't get it. Look at it.
That's not
Very
another
cool.
game, is it? Is it just the Lego
Yeah,
set?
it's just the set.
Oh, a docking station?
Uh-huh.
Looks like it has a remote.
It
Well, that's
does.
cool. Oh, and it's like an alarm clock too, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
it has
cool.
an alarm clock.
Look at Nally's nibbling. Are you nibbling on
I
him?
just can't bite Kenny.
Oh,
Oh, that looks really nice.
That's so cool.
Is that sort of what you wanted?
I'm so proud of this
Yes.
he has that tick in his mouth. Stuffed tick.
Oh, that's cute.
What's that, honey?
It's like an
Oh.
iPhone. It's a docking station for your iPhone.
Then those things charge too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, now you put that. Clean off the dresser for it.
Oh, yeah. Have fun.
Thanks, Nally. It's yours, buddy.
You can plug it in
Yeah.
and play music.
Oh, now he's getting it. Now he's getting his toy.
No, he's never alive.
What's that book?
Harry
Oh.
Potter
It's a
cookbook.
cookbook.
Oh, that's cool.
What's he cook? Things like mice and spiders and
I
things.
like to run up street and get some Iron Newt.
Chocolate buttermilk sheet cake. Ooh. Are those real recipes, or is that just sort of like a storybook?
No, it's real recipes.
Hey. Here, nibble on this. Nibble on this. I can't believe it's been, what, 5 minutes maybe, and that thing is still in one piece.
Yeah, I don't know. You must not know what to do with it.
What is that, Dakota? Huh? Is that your toy?
That's so cool.
Those are some nice clothes on the couch there, E.T. Is that yours? Did Santa Claus say bring it to you? Huh? Did Santa Claus bring this to you? Then this is going to become Denali's.
It's a scarf.
Oh, wow.
Isn't
Oh,
it
cool.
cute?
You can wear that in New York.
Mom, look.
Oh, that's pretty.
Isn't it? Turn on that.
Oh.
Hey, sweetie.
Okay.
Oh,
A minute.
I like that.
So soft.
Now, you want this, baby?
Your jiggies.
Oh.
oh, jeggings.
Some pair of pants I wanted.
Really?
They're jeggings. They're leggings that are made out of denim.
Oh,
Jean leggings, jeggings.
that yellow top was pretty.
I know, that's pretty. Now,
Coda, what'd you get, bud? Coda.
all slimy. Ooh. You gonna make him sit for it?
Sit down.
Good boy, Coda.
Baby.
Listen.
You can make it this way.
Listen.
More
What is that,
Legos?
It's Legos. It's a Lego. You build a dog.
Oh, it's a gift card?
Yeah.
Oh, way on.
It's a Lego gift card.
That has the coolest Lego, or I mean, coolest gift cards ever.
How cool is that?
That's neat. Now, so you're tuning yourself for this thing. Did you get
Fuzzy
it?
socks.
Those must have been for your shoulder.
So he could chew on them, huh?
What's that?
You put it to clean your computer keys out.
Oh, wow. We could all borrow
You
that.
can use that with a can of air
You can practice on mine.
to blast the dust out.
I brought mine too.
Did you bring your computer?
Yeah. It's cinnamon.
Ooh.
Looks like he nibbled on a cookie over here.
You could unhook the stocking if you want and sit on the couch and look at it if you want.
We managed to forget the puppy stocking.
Oh.
But they got a new water ball out of it. Oh! Mom.
Oh.
Canoodles?
Yeah, it's like the game.
Oh, it's a game?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's like,
Did you play that before?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Well, I haven't played it, but I saw it like
Ah.
that. Duct tape.
Duct tape.
It's bright pink duct tape.
Obviously. I didn't think you needed any assistance in the color.
It's a swimming charm. It's a swimming snowman.
Oh, and is that a charm? A swimmer charm with it? This is Denali. This is Coda. Denali is the flea. Dakota is the tip. Hey.
It's gummy worms.
Oh, yum.
I've never seen Denali chew on a toy like this before. Guess you usually never get a chance, huh, now? Dakota just steals them from him, and I never have a chance.
Chewy secret.